What's your name?
Fatima.
From where are you from?
I'm Lebanon.
Okay, do you know any country in Africa?
Yes.
How many countries do you know in Africa?
Some.
What they are?
Nigeria. Albania.
Albania?
Is it Albania?
No, don't ask your friend.
I can't say it top of my head. Egypt. Did I say Nigeria?
Oh, yeah, you took before. Actually. Okay. No problem. What's your name?
Lena.
Lina, where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
Egypt. Yeah. How many countries do you know in Africa?
I don't know off the top of my head, but I know a few, I think. I know a few.
Okay, what they are?
Egypt, Algeria, Nigeria, Congo. Yeah, I probably know more than that, but I just can't.
Okay. Do you know Somalia?
I do,
Somalia.
yes.
Oh my god. I know Somalia.
No problem. What's the capital city in Somalia?
Mogadishu.
I don't know.
You don't know. Are you?
Mogadishu?
Muqdisho. That's right. Thank you.